Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about my experience, my story with an EverStart battery that I bought from Walmart back in June of 2021. And we're currently in July of 2023. So just over 2 years. But first, I wanted to talk about some different things. Whenever you're working on vehicles, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And also, this is my experience. This is what happened for me. This doesn't mean this is what's going to happen for everybody. So make sure to keep that in mind. Okay, so my car started to have some issues, and I thought that it was either the battery or the alternator. And in my case, it ended up being both. My car was able to make it to the Walmart Auto Care Center. And I went inside and I was talking with the person there. And when I was there, I did not have the receipt on me. I probably have the receipt somewhere. It's either in the glove box of my car or at home somewhere. But I didn't have it on me when I was talking with him. And I later thought about it was probably in the Walmart app purchase history. I have my credit card linked to the Walmart app, so the purchases that I make show up in the Walmart app. But when I was there, I did not think of that, and he was actually able to look up in their computer system my information and find the original purchase. So the next thing that happened was they tested the battery, found out that it was bad, and then replaced it with a new one. At the Walmart that we usually go to, they offer a service where if you buy a vehicle battery from them, they can install it for you, and I let them do that. You'll have to check with the Walmart that you go to see if that's a service that they offer. And the warranty on the battery that I originally purchased was 3 years. And in my case, that worked out good because the original battery lasted just over 2 years. And just keep that in mind. They sell different batteries with different warranties. So the best option is if you have the receipt. You can bring that in with you so they can see when you purchased the original battery. If you don't have that information, you can try looking up your purchase on the Walmart app in purchase history if you have your credit card linked to the Walmart app. And I tried searching the purchase history with the keyword battery and it did not show up. I had to scroll through all the transactions until I found it. And as a last option, you can try going to the Walmart Auto Care Center and talking with them and asking if they have the ability to look up your information and see if they can find your original purchase. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. And just keep in mind that everybody's experience is going to be different and different batteries have different warranties. It will ultimately be up to the Walmart Auto Care Center to determine if your battery qualifies for the warranty. And if your battery does qualify for the warranty, they might be able to replace it or they might be able to do some type of proration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.